but I do like the unfinished look, if you know what I mean, but things that are not perfect. This is the way I am, and if you look for perfection, this is not the channel for you. So there is plenty of crafters, they are literally on point when they do the tutorials, and I'm not. It's all about, I always say, it's all about the journey and not the result. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am so happy to meet you, and welcome to my channel. Today, before we crack on with the tutorial, I just want to share a lovely happy mail I have received from the sweet, kind and very supportive Aunt Lane. Anne hasn't got a YouTube channel, but she's very active on Instagram, and she's one of these beautiful souls that always support crafter that have YouTube channel, watching them, leaving comments, leaving big thumbs up, and also all over social media. So I just want to say, with the bottom of my heart, thank you so much, Anne, for what you do for myself and for another crafter. And she kindly sent me a lovely happy mail. I don't really know the content of the box. I don't really often receive happy mail, so, and especially when it's made from a person that is so kind and so supportive, it means even more than anybody else. So honestly, thank you so much. Right, I'm going to open it on camera. He says, sorry about the noise. Okay, let's have a look. Oh wow. Put that in there. Put that in there. It's a gorgeous box. So, oh wow. Oh look. Oh, look at that. So let's open the card first. Oh my god. Look. I love glitter. Gorgeous rose. Love it. Let's open the card first because it's lovely. Very me, very glittery gold. It's got gorgeous butterfly. And Antonio with a little kiss. Kiss straight back at you. So we've got a gorgeous butterfly card. It says authentic. Look at the paper. So we've got a layer of cards, craft cardstock, black cardstock, and these cardstock as well, but it's very textured. I'm interested to know how you made it. It looks like paint and sponges, and oh look, I do that all the time with my butterflies. Always make sure they're always in 3D. Oh, it's a small butterfly. Oh, small butterfly. Oh, you're gonna make me cry now. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. It really does. So thank you for your very touchy, lovely messages. I am loving these gorgeous butterflies. Oh look, you've got tiny little ones. Are they from a die or punch? I mean, I've never seen anything like that before. Look at the tiny little ones. I don't know if you can see them. Bear with. Excuse my hands, they're covered in glue and distress ink. Look at them. Now I need to put them straight back in the envelope, because if not, they're gonna fly out the window, because I'm going to lose them for sure. So pop them back in there, and the card as well. So let's have a look at the inside the box. Oh, how clever. I wonder what box it is. It's either a body shop, body butter or something. Oh, look. It's packaged. Oh, look, it got little wooden peg with a heart. And then she wrapped it in this gorgeous lace. What a clever idea. Oh, wow. Wow, 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 wow. So I need something white. White, white, white. Have I got anything white? No, but I've got something blue. That does the same job. Look at that. In fact, let me move the light so you can see it better. Is a dangling piece of jewellery that she made. I mean, they can be hanged on a journal, on a card, as a little gift topper. And you've got little stars that just say just for you. But I love how, you see, one thing I can do is do little fiddly things like this because I've got such a big hands and I'm so clumsy. So I really admire people that got talents like this with jewellery making. I mean, that's absolutely gorgeous. So that's one. And I'm sure she used that, Anne used a thread because it's really steady, so it doesn't move, so it stays like this. I love how you use these gorgeous lace. What a clever idea as a packaging to pack stuff like that. And to be fair, Anne, you read my mind because I don't have anything like this and I always wanted to buy some. So I had a look on eBay and I have a few things on my basket. So those laces that come super handy. Oh wow, it's a gorgeous butterfly. I mean, look at that. Oh, that is gorgeous. I mean, look. I mean, you can even wear as a ring. Wish I could. I mean, nobody stops me, but I absolutely love it. I know it looks black on camera, but get me the lights back on. But it's a gorgeous, so they're black, the wings are black, and those ones, they're really gorgeous lilac purpley. But look at the detail, and there's little beads in there. Oh, and you're so talented. Thank you so much. I mean, look how gorgeous them are. They couldn't be staying on my desk, so I look at them every day. Yeah. So gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. And then the last one, oh, what a clever idea. Really like that. Oh, look. That is so cute. So cute. I mean, look at that. It's a rainbow. Absolutely cute. It's covered in glitter as well. Wow, 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 wow. So, guys, if you are on Instagram, and I know lots of you are, you need to go and follow Anne, and I will put Anne's link just in my info box. I'm just going to put them in here, and then I will sort it when I finish filming this video. Just going to put them in there. Thank you so much for the lace. It's gorgeous as well. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. Super cute. Thank you, Anne. Thank you so much. Okay, so today I want to share how I made, there is another one, there is. So let me zoom in so you can see better. Okay, so in my head, I wanted to make some altered paper clips using these lovely flowers. And I wanted to make this tutorial for a very long time. These flowers are not new. I mean, they're all over Pinterest, and I watched Woolly Steph video when she was made a few months ago, and I will put Steph video linked in the info box so you can go and use that as a reference. So I wanted to make some altered paper clips. In my original idea, I wanted to make a little piece of square that will tuck in into your normal paper clip, so like that, and then that would be the paper clip, and then put the flowers on top. But when I was starting to make them, I used these papers from the lovely Steph on a happy mail that she sent me a while ago, and I had it in there and I was like, I'm gonna use them, I'm gonna use them, I'm gonna use them. So I thought, right, let's make them. Let's make the video that Steph did. I remake it using her supplies. So, and in that happy mail, there were these were stickers, which I just use it on a thicker white cardstock. Very oriental. Even the papers are all oriental, so I thought they really match this project. So Steph's flowers are way better than mine. This is my first attempt, and as you can see, they're not perfect, and I'm not bothered because, as you can see, they're all like like me. But this is the last one, because I think I've done this first, and then that, and then that. So practice makes it better. And that's going back to the conversation. I can't do fiddly things because my fingers are big. So when it comes to twisted things, then, you know, it's not me. I just can't do it. But I do like the unfinished look, if you know what I mean. But things that are not perfect. This is the way I am. And if you look for perfection, this is not the channel for you. So there is plenty of crafters. They are literally on point when they do the tutorials. And I'm not. It's all about, I always say, it's all about the journey and not the result. So, but anyway, Tonya, shush, because you are on 11 minutes. Right, so, yeah, so in my head there were paper clips. And now I found these stickers and I thought, oh, they will look quite nice as a banners. But also you can use that as with a paper clip to attach on a page or anywhere. But I thought they would look quite nice as a bookmarks as well. So, because they will be quite thick. And I use a little pearl in the middle. They're still a bit wet, so they will dry soon. So, how to make this? You need, and I downloaded this from Google, a 60-degree square triangle. So, what I did, I printed this off. And as you can see, you've got a 360-degree circle divided in 6 parts. And each part is 60 degrees. Okay. And of course, you will get the round shape, which is made of 6 petals. So to make a petal, the base of it is just a punch, and I used, what is this? This is 1-inch paper punch. I had this for ages. It's from Stampin' Up. So yeah, you punch the base, which is, I just use a white cardstock because you won't be able to see it, and then you punched 6 of these petals. And what you do, so you cut your 60 degrees. I put this on a really thick cardstock, so it's really steady. So on the back of your petal, so as you can see, I distress it all with some ink, hence why I got brown fingers. So the most important things, guys, is to put it in the middle. So it's got to be symmetrical, because otherwise some petals are different. You see, like that, it's one side is bigger than the other. It doesn't really matter, but if you want the perfection, that's how you're gonna reach it. So you simply make sure that it stays in the middle. What you could do, you can score it if you want to. I mean, I'm not even measured it, so it's totally pointless, but you get the gist. So you position in there. Don't go up to the top because you need some space, because the thickness of the paper, so when you fold it, it's gonna fold properly. So I've got glue everywhere, apologies. So anyway, so positioning in there in the middle, and then you fold it, each petal one side inwards and the other side inwards. Then you get this shape. So let me just rub that off so you don't see it. Okay, so you get this shape, and you need 6 of those, because 6 by 60 degrees, that give you 360 degrees, which is the full circle. Okay, so what you do, you just put it in there, and then you glue it. You see, this one is not perfect because it doesn't reach. It's not that, none of the other petals were actually perfect, so it's still don't achieve that full circle, so you've got a bit of space. But it doesn't really matter, so I'm not really bothered. But if you do it properly, like this one, you fold them together, and what you do when you glue them, make sure that each side or the petal, it's next to each other, so that side it goes as close as possible to that, and then all the same. Okay, so you get this lovely flower shape. Okay guys, that is it really. I'm probably gonna make another one. I'm gonna cheat make another one and make that a 7. It doesn't really matter, does it? And then what you do, you just glue that onto your banner, and then you can use it as a bookmark, or you can use it as a paper clip, hidden paper clip. You can also fold it in half, and then if you get, for instance, a page, you glue the flower on top, and that's how, you know, that's will bookmark your page. Or you can keep it like that, put a paper clip, and just do it like that. So it's totally up to you. Okay, just a little idea for today, guys. I hope you like them. I do love them. Some of them I laugh at myself because it's just not perfect whatsoever. I mean, look at that. Never mind, I quite like it, honestly guys. I do like it. I'm not saying because I made it, I just genuinely like it. So right, Antonio, shush, go. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this project, massive give a big thumbs up, because I will support the video doing well. Don't forget to watch Steph's video, and don't forget to subscribe and follow Anne on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching once again, and until next time, stay safe and well.